Hi guys, my name is Ebony and I'm the creator of Ebony Art. Today I'm going to share with you tips on how to get art commissions. So this list I'm going to share with you isn't going to be a big explanation on it. It's more of a simple list to get you started. I've been taking some commissions for the past few years now, so I wanted to share all the information that I've gained in my experience with that. So first things first, I need to tell you what a commission is in terms of in the art world. So a commission is basically if someone asks you if you can create an art piece for them, like a portrait, an illustration of some sort, or if you're in animation, if someone asks you to create an animation for them and they will pay you for it. Individuals can ask you for a commission, or even businesses. So the list I'm going to share with you is based off of my experience. Some people may have different experiences, so maybe my list can help you out in getting an art commission. So the first thing you're going to do is figure out what you want to offer. So whether that be drawing portraits, painting portraits, drawing digitally, offering illustrations, offering, like I said, animations, or even if you're into clay or any other, hobby you want to sell. So once you know what you're going to offer, you're going to make a price list. That way, when someone comes out of nowhere and asks you if you do commissions, then you already know ahead of time how much you're going to charge. Also, too, when you make your price list, you can advertise your list, ahead of time, so clients can know what they're getting into ahead of time. And also, too, you know how much you can potentially make. So you want to think about your price ahead of time. That way you can calculate, say for example, if the art piece may take you like 10 hours to complete, make sure your price, make sure the piece will be worth your time. You don't want to undercharge someone for your piece. Also, another thing to note, you may come across someone who is trying to convince you to lower your prices or tell you your prices are too much, but all in all, if they can't pay the money, then they're not the right client for you anyway. So once you have your set price amount, the next thing you're going to do is you have to get the word out. So you have to let people know what you offer, and since you have your price list now, it's just easier that way. We're in a day and age where social media is very prevalent, and it's probably the easiest way to get new clients. You don't necessarily have to have a website, but it's nice if you do have one. Of course, you can showcase your work on TikTok, Instagram, the new app Cara, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Facebook, all those sites. When you're utilizing the social media platforms, when you're getting yourself out there, you make sure you utilize all of the ways you can make content. Like for instance, for Instagram, you can use the Reels, post on your stories, and do regular posts. For TikTok, you make videos, of course, and share those. Or share your videos there. I think TikTok is probably the best bet. So hopefully it doesn't go anywhere anytime soon, but who knows. So the next tip that I can give you is to share your artwork and what you're going to offer with family and friends. People are always looking for unique gift ideas, and utilizing your family and friends, that is a good resource to get the word out. They'll tell their friends and family, and so on and so forth. That's how I received a lot of my commissions. I've done a commission for my sister's friends, other family members, and that was really based off of the people that are in my life. So the next tip is to join online art communities or posts. So I guess this kind of falls into social media. So when you're looking for these type of communities, like if you go on Facebook, you can search for different type of art groups, and you will find groups where people will look for artists to do different types of work for, so you can share your work with them as well. And I received a few commissions from doing that as well. Someone would see my artwork on these Facebook groups and they would contact me and go from there. So You should definitely take that into account. The next tip that I can give you is that I've also done. You can offer your services on websites, like freelance websites like Fiverr, Upwork. Etsy is a marketplace where you sell items, but you can also offer your services for art on there as well, and you can get clients that way too. Another tip that I have, now it's a very important one. If you get someone asking for your services, right, and they ask you to send money, or if they offer to pay way more than what you're asking for, or if they email you and it just sounds very suspicious, then trust your gut and do not go with it, because people get scammed that way as well. You'll be so surprised. This can probably be another video talking about how you can get art scammed, because it is definitely out there. Let me give you an example. If you get an email or message and they want to like overpay you, a lot of times the scammers, they'll ask you to send the money back. Scam. Also, if something seems too good to be true, then that probably is the case. Never give out your personal information to people you do not know. Never click on links you don't know where it's from as well, because they could be sending a virus to your laptop, computer. So yeah, don't do that. Scam. Okay, the last tip I'm gonna give you is do not give up. Keep posting, keep creating your art. The people who love your art will come to you. Just make sure you have your price together so you'll know ahead of time. Okay? If you found these tips to be helpful, I'll be giving out more art advice based on my experience. So hit the like and the follow, because it will help me out. I thank you, and I'll see you later. Bye.